Hi guys, TB here. So I want to show you the latest update for Easy Video Player. I've been planning this for a while now, and finally I've done it. So the first thing that I've added is Ajax based. Let me make this bigger. Ajax based saving in the database for the general settings. Before this, every time you updated something in the preset, the page refreshed. But now I have a preset here. I've done a preset. It's test. Let's change this color, for example, to, I don't know, red. And when I update, it's just updating, and you are still on this page. You can continue working on it. And of course, if I refresh it and I select test, I think I've selected the wrong color. Let's go back again and select green. Not green, something else, blue. Oh god. So again, test. And let's select blue. Update, and now when I refresh and go to test, you will see that it's blue, and this applies to all settings. Also, there are other improvements here for the validation. So overall, this will increase speed, and you don't have to leave the page every time you save something here. Okay, so this is the first one, and the next one, which is the one that has been requested many times, is the global advertisement. What this means is that you can add pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll ads, also AdSense pop-up or pop-up image ads, advertisement on post, and VAST or VPaid or IMA SDK. There are a lot of options here globally. So once you add this here, all videos will have this. All videos that you add anywhere in WordPress, you will have these ads running. So let me show you how this works. For now, I will leave this blank. And let's go to a page, and this is how the shortcode looks. The UI, it's a bit oldish style, but it's better that is this way because it's more the focus not on the visual aspect but on the actual functionality, and there are a lot of things here, and it's best to have it like this. So I will not select any presets because let's refresh it, because it doesn't really matter. So I will add a video here, and I will add a pop-up and video on post advert. Let me show you. So I will add a video. The label is test, and I will add from a library, I don't know, this one, which is a travel video. So when adding this, the shortcodes updates automatically here. Okay, now let's add the pop-up advertisement. Okay, we'll add this image, which is a small image for it. When click, it will open my website. It will start at second 10, and it will end at second, actually second 4. Sorry, 04. Don't worry if you make any mistakes, because it's validated and you cannot do it wrong. So 0, let's make it 10, and it will end at 20. Okay, now we have this for the pop-up advertisement, and also let's add a video advertisement. We will add the classic. This is one of my videos that I created as an ad. Doesn't really matter, you can add anything. It will start at 00. It's okay, it will hold time for 1 second, and when clicked, it will not open anything. Okay, so I'll just copy the shortcut. There's a lot of text here. It looks weird, but it's not. You can also edit it by hand if you want to, but you need to be careful that you might make a mistake and it will not work anymore. Let's fix this, you see, because we need to add the protocol. I forgot about it. So we have the video. If I test this, so this is the first video. This is a, what is this actually? It should not be here. Yeah. So let's delete this one. We don't need it for now. So now when I test, we have the video that we added, and when I click, we will get the ad, the one that we have added there. When I skip it, it's playing. And at second 10, we should see the pop-up advertisement. See? It's appearing, and when I click on it, it will open my website, which is the one that we have added there, the apps.net. Okay, so everything works fine here. Nothing is changing. So let's get back to this and go to the global advertisement. Now, I want to create global advertisement for all the videos that we will add from now on the website. So one thing that you need to understand about this, that if you add this advertisement here in the shortcode, this will be ignored. So if you have here any type of advertisement, and we also have it defined here in the shortcode using this shortcode generator, they will be ignored. They will not be used. So this is important to note. So if you want to use the global advertisement for your videos, you don't need to add them from here, from this shortcode. Okay, so let's add here 2 videos. I will just colon 1 and 2, and which one? This one, which is girl video. It will start at second 40, and yeah, everything else is the same. I will not add here a link to click when it's open. I don't want to. Actually, let's add, don't forget to add the protocol here. And the page one, I will add it as a test. Okay, and add a new one. We'll choose this one because it's okay. Add second for 50. Yeah, 50. I'll leave this blank. And for the pop-up advertisement, you also create 2. Here you can add also Google AdSense if you want to for the pop-up ads, but I don't have all this stuff. I don't have one, so I can't show you, but it works. If you have a Google AdSense account, you can just complete this and you'll have this style of pop-ups visible. I'm referring to this one. I think I closed it, and okay, I think you understand what I mean. So let's get back here, and I'll add an image for now. Advertisement, I'll just leave it 1, and we'll use this. I have 2 others banners for it, and let's open, I think, Wikipedia. Let me see. I'll just open this when clicked, and let's add another one, advertisement 2. And let's start at second 20, and I'll leave it blank. I will not open anything. So let's recap this. So the first one starts at second 0. I want it at second 10. I don't want to be with the other ones. Update. So now we have the global advertisement. Don't forget to update. So after you update, again, this is Ajax based, you will have it here. You don't need to leave the page, but I just refreshed it to show you. And now let's add a new video. So let's clear this from the shortcode because it remembers it. Okay, and let's add a new video here. There are other options here. I will not go into them because they are explained in other video tutorials and also in the documentation. I'll just focus on the global advertisement. So I'll just call it test. Again, doesn't really matter. And for the video source, we'll add this one. So in this case, we don't have anything except only the video. So I will add it at the second video here. And now when I test this, so the first one works exactly the same as before. You have the ad that we added in the shortcode, and also at second 10 we have this pop-up one. And now for this one, which doesn't have any ads added in the shortcode, it will lose the global advertisement that we have added here. So when I click on this, it will start with the video. Now at second 10 we should see the first pop-up. See, and when let me see, I did a mistake here, so yeah, it should start at second 10 and it will end at second 20. Otherwise you don't see it, it just appears and disappears. And this one, it will start at second 20 and it will end at second 30. Okay, let's see again. Sorry about my nose, I have a pollen allergy and it's pollen time here. So we have the first one, and when I click it, it will open Wikipedia. Remember, we have added it there. And if you continue at second 20, we should see the second one. See? But again, I think it didn't update at the time here. Let's see. Something went wrong. Let's try again. I'll just go directly to close to second 20. Okay, I had to pause and look at it. So do not add, I forgot about this. So when you add this one to start a second 20 and a second 20, this one add it to start a second 21, otherwise they will conflict. So this is why they were not working correctly. But now if I click on it and go to second 10, we'll see this one, and then on second 20, we'll see the other one. Okay, so this is how this works. And about the video ads, the traditional video mid-roll, post-roll, and pre-roll ads, you'll see them here at second 30 and then second 50. So when I click and go here, we'll get the girl, and when I click, it will open Google, remember. And I skip it to continue, and the next one is the other ad that we created, the classical one. Okay, and to show you that this works with all kind of videos, let's add here a normal video. From the media library, I will just choose, I don't know which one is this. Let's add the travel. So we have now the traditional video, and when I refresh the page, we'll see the video here. It just starts, and as you can see, it doesn't use Easy Video Player. It's just a built-in video. Now to replace this with Easy Video Player, let's go to General Settings, and where is it? Replace video player, replace default video player. Yes, so just set this to yes. Update. And now when I test this, you see Easy Video Player here. It's replacing the actual player. And when I click on this, we'll have the exact same thing as the other one added via the shortcode. It's the identical, see? So yeah, it doesn't really matter how many you add. We can add another one just to test this with a different video. Let's, for example, choose this one. When I save it, so we have now the first two that we added and this one. And as you can see, it works exactly like this one. If you check the bar here, you will see the ads. So let's see if it works. Yep, Yep. Now the same video it's running as the ads here, but so it's a bit confusing, but I think you get the idea. So this is why there is a problem. Let's choose another video here. I don't know how to change the thing here. No, I'll just delete it and create it again for submission. Okay, you know what? Let's add. Actually, no, it's not possible. I almost forgot. This is too short. This is again the same one. Let's add party again because this is I don't have enough videos in the library. So of course you'll never have a video playing with the same video as advertisement. This is why it didn't work. It causes an issue here. So now we have 3 party videos in a row. These are from the built-in WordPress library. So let's test this. It works. Let's get here. Everything was as expected. Okay, so as I showed you how this part worked, now let's get back to general settings and to this advertisement on post. Now I will not add it again in the shortcode because I already showed you how this other two works. We'll just Wikipedia. I'll just choose Wikipedia and I'll show you what this does. I'll add it here. So this is, it will load a page, a web page in an iframe. When the video is paused, and it will show it in the player. Let me show you. So see, we have it here. And of course this will work everywhere, because since this is the global advertisement, it will appear everywhere when I pause the video, even in this one, because we didn't specify it. Remember, if you need to add it in the shortcode here to override this one. If not, this will have precedence. So if I pause this, see, we have it everywhere. I will remove it because I don't want to use this. And the last one, which is the most, of course, many of you are using the VAST and VAST, VMAP, VMAP, VAST, VMAP, VPay. I'm sorry, IMA SDK, Google AdSense. They all fall in this category here. It is explained here in the tooltip. So we need to add here an XML file. I have one that I've saved. I only have one that it works, so I cannot add one here to show you in the shortcode. But you can also add it here if you look. Where is it? Here. So if you click here, you can add the XML directly here, and it will appear in the shortcode. If you do this, it will have precedence over the global advertisement. It works exactly the same as with the pop-up advertisement and pre-roll, mid-roll, and post-roll advertisement. I'm sorry. I will delete it because we don't need it. And let's try this. Now, when we use the VAST XML file, all this will be ignored. So if you have advertisement defined here or in the shortcode here in front, this part, they will all be ignored and VAST will take over. So it's important to remember this. Now when I refresh, see, the VAST already started for all videos. I mean, it's ready to play. And if I play this, so this VAST file has 2 videos in it. This is the first one, and when click, it will open my page. And then the second one is opening another page. This is a VAST file that I created on my server for testing. And after that, the video will play normally as expected. And again, this works for all videos. See, since it's globally added. Yeah, so I think this is pretty much everything I wanted to show. So this is a very useful feature. I know many of you was expecting this for a while now. I apologize that I didn't do it earlier, but it was not an easy addition, to be honest. It was really difficult to add this because because the easy video player is, as you can see, is based on this type of I don't know. It's close to a JSON format. So I had to go into the code and literally inject strings here. And I had to be careful not to make any mistakes. But it works and it's done. And it's a really good addition. Now about other features, to be honest, I've thought about adding something else to this player, but it has pretty much everything you would want from it. There are so many options and so many formats supported. It's crazy. There are so many that I forgot about some of them. So if you have any suggestion for new updates, just leave a comment on YouTube or contact me on my email you can find it in the documentation. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.